Mardi Gras is done in such an amazing way, in so many different ways, whether that be something like the Mardi Gras Indians, the Skull and Bones, these neighborhood marching crews that have really flourished in recent years, all the way up to the images of Mardi Gras that most people recognize, which is the large floats, the marching bands, that visual spectacle. Our vision for the future when we go out to a parade is to see a much higher emphasis on environmentally responsible behavior, and that can come from both the crews and the riders, and then also what the options are for the public out on the route.
Mardi Gras is a crazy time of having fun and being carefree, but it's also a time of the year where we waste a lot of resources. The best case scenario is that it ends up in a landfill. The worst case scenario is that it ends up in our waterways. Throughout Louisiana, we have no consistent glass recycling programs, and we have no glass recyclers in the region at Glass Half Full. We recycle glass into sand for coastal restoration, disaster relief, and more. Louisiana loses a football field's worth of land every 100 minutes due to coastal erosion, and one of the main ways that we can combat that is by using sand. During Mardi Gras, we'll be set up with recycling stations along St. Charles. So if you're having fun along a Mardi Gras route, be sure to bring your glass to these recycle hubs, turn it into something good, turn it into something that can benefit our community.
I am so excited about the Mardi Gras Bead Recycling Center of the Arc of Greater New Orleans. So the life cycle of a bead or a throw at a Mardi Gras parade, once it's thrown off the float, regular Mardi Gras goers decide, hey, they want to donate their throws back to us. It keeps it out of the landfill. It keeps it out of the drains. We actually have collected this year 120 tons of Mardi Gras throws. We go through all of these throws throughout the year, and we recycle them back into commerce, and we're able to resell to anyone who desire to come in, including Mardi Gras crews. This program actually provides supported employment to people with developmental disabilities. We're able to make sure that they have the dignity that we all have when we go to work. Some people we get in and the growth is tremendous, just their self-esteem. I've seen a lot of them blossom, and so we're helping the environment, we're helping our city, and we're also just being good stewards to people that we love.
At Grounds Crew, our whole mission is to lower the waste impact of the events here in New Orleans, which we have many throughout the year. And of course, our biggest focus is on Mardi Gras parades. Not only is it about the environmental effects, it's also really a shame to think that we're sending tens of millions of dollars out of Louisiana every year to produce parade throws when we could start keeping some of that money here and really developing a local sustainable throw economy. We create and design throws that people can use. We have a collection of about 20 to 30 different sustainable throws that are all biodegradable, recycled materials. We also have consumable items like jambalaya mix, red beans, coffee, with an emphasis on Louisiana products. Of course, we love beads as a Mardi Gras throw, but there is a limit to how useful those things can be, where we like to think that if you catch another bag of jambalaya or red beans, the party you're gonna throw the week after Mardi Gras is just gonna have more food, so invite more friends. We want to take the image of Mardi Gras and really sort of bring it forward so that it is this beautiful, world-renowned cultural event, yet it's something that our entire city, all the residents here, and all the visitors can be proud of.